If you ask the average person what a 3D printer is for, they'll tell you it's for printing little plastic boats, nerdy figurines, or useless toys that end up in the trash. But they are completely wrong. Ever since I got my Bambu Lab H2S, I realized something massive. This isn't a toy factory. It's a literal problem-solving machine for my apartment. Why would I spend $20 on Amazon for a specific organizer or a replacement part when I can just print exactly what I need for like 30 cents of plastic? Today, I'm showing you the top 3D prints that I actually use every single day in my apartment. No useless gadgets, just prints I daily use, and if I didn't print them, I had bought them. Let's get into it. Let's start in the kitchen and bathroom because this is where you can save serious cash. Print number 1, ashtrays. I am smoking terreya in my apartment. I don't know if you guys know that. That's cigarettes but without burning the tabak, only heading it up to smoke. I needed ashtrays for that, but on Amazon they don't look interesting, and for the money it was a shame to waste money on them. So I locked on Maker's World and printed some for myself. I have like 3 in my apartment and use like $8 of filament. Print number 2, toilet shelf. In my toilet, I hadn't a shelf, and I can't find one I like. So I again browsed through MakerWorld and found a nice one, who also is an eye catcher. I printed all 3 parts of it. The amount of filament was 700 grams. After that, I needed to assemble the parts, but my problem was that the sticks between the parts are too long. I cut them and glue the parts together. You can see a little bit of the glue between the parts. I need to cover them with color, but for now it does what it should do. Print number 3, phone holder. That's a little gadget what was done in like 20 minutes. I printed 2 phone holder, one for my office desk and another for the couch table. They look fitting, throw the other wood parts in my apartment, and also can hold the phone in both positions without falling down. Moving into the living room, this is where the multicolor AMS combo on the Bambu Lab really flexes. Print number 4, fruit bowl. I needed a fruit bowl for my dining table, so I decided to do it myself. Okay, maybe only pressing 2 buttons, but it was also work. I made the mistake with the filament roll. I didn't check at the beginning if I would have enough filament for this bowl, and it came halfway through that my roll ran out. So I decided I will use 2 different colors. So you can see the bowl is in darker green and the top of the flame bowl is in wood brown. It fits but wasn't planned to be. Print number 5, controller holder. Sometimes I play some games on the Xbox like Assassin's Creed or Gear of War with some friends, and I could not find a place for the controllers. Okay, the Xbox is also not in the perfect spot, I am working on it. But for the Xbox problem I got time, so I found this solution on MakerWorld, and I think it looks clean on the Xbox and is not like taking more space around. Print number 6, the grab and go wallet and keys bowl. Right by my front door, I have a key bowl. It fits to the design of my apartment and the look on the outside looks timeless and elegant for my opinion. Print number 7, the same bowl but bigger and not for keys. Like the bowl by my front door, I have the same model, a bit bigger and in a different color on my couch table. I really like the design and the look of this kind of prints. Little notice for you guys, if you go to a McDonald's and they have like this flower vase on the table, look more precisely on it. It's also 3D printed. This last category is the real reason 3D printers pay for themselves. Replacement parts. Print number 8, monitor holder lid. When I moved into this apartment, I lost this lid on this monitor holder on my desk. I could not find it because of all these boxes and disorder. So I made an easy CAD model of it on Fusion 360 and transferred it into Bambu Studio. Work and print time together was like 20 to 25 minutes, easy and fast, and did not need to wait for delivery. Print number 9, custom door stoppers. My apartment doors slam when the windows are open. Instead of buying those ugly rubber wedges, I printed these sleek, minimalistic door stops that slide perfectly under the hinges. Print number 10, towel holder. I also print stuff for the bathroom. For example, this small towel holder, their print time is small and the parts looking like from a factory. It's small and not so bulky, and also, I mentioned it a lot, it fits to my design I am trying to hold in the apartment with these lines in between. And there you have it. 10 things I use every single day that came out of a machine sitting in the corner of my room. When you start looking at the world through the lens of a 3D printer, you stop seeing broken things or annoyances, and you start seeing solutions. If a plastic piece breaks in your apartment, you don't buy a new one, you just print it. What is the most useful thing you have ever 3D printed? Drop it in the comments below. I am always looking for new ideas for the apartment. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.